Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys a very easy way how to get free TikTok followers. It's not the best way to get TikTok followers if you want authentic viewership and stuff, if you want a lot of people to view the videos, but if you just want free followers that don't require any downloads or jailbreak or any kind of like spammy kind of stuff, all it includes is the TikTok app. So if you're looking for something that's really easy, really fast, this is a great technique to use. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So you guys are just going to head over to the TikTok application. All right, so I'm just going to show you guys right now that I only have 6 followers in this account. It's just one of my test accounts here. So all we're going to do is go to the Discover page. And we're just going to search for popular accounts. So let's just use Charlie, for example. So we'll click on Charlie's account. And we'll click on Follow. And then under that, you'll see there's lots of other accounts that it shows you that are popular on TikTok. So we can just go give them a follow as well. So what this basically does is it puts us to the top of the list of followers on these accounts. And since these accounts have a lot of views and a lot of people following them, people go to these pages to follow and unfollow and stuff on them. So if you're high on the following list, you're more likely to get lots of followers. And I'll show you guys after I'm done right here how much followers we gain just from doing this. So I'm just liking all these accounts and following them all. You could also go and do this again like I did. I just clicked on the person's page and clicked follow, so it loads more suggested accounts. That's recommended as well. So I'll continue to do this and follow maybe about 30 to 40 accounts. So we'll do it one more time. Go here, click follow, and then we'll see more popular accounts here. So let's go check right now. Exit out of here, go to the account. Now you guys see I just gained 1 there. So we can go back on it again and we will search again. So let's go back to Charlie's page here. So the idea is to get the most popular accounts, like the one with the most followers and stuff like that. That is the goal of this. So we'll just do this really quick and then do the same thing as I was doing before. Just a couple more accounts here. Then we'll check one more time. It does usually take a minute or two to get the followers. They're not instantaneous, but I've done this before and it works very, very well. I've gotten over 100 followers in, I'd say, about 15 minutes with this before. So it's a great task to do. So as you guys can see there, we just gained a bunch more followers. So after about 10 to 15 minutes, once you guys do this, it's recommended to unfollow the accounts and either refollow the same ones or just go follow more. But I really hope this video helped you guys out. If it did, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more TikTok tutorials. Thanks for watching.